Yeah, the all the units combined together, then we are going to do the integration testing.
Super. Integration testing is nothing but we are going to integrate the individual modules and test the
Data
interfaces.
can
Correct.
between.
Whether the data is flowing from one module to another module or not. Whether the messages are passing from one module to another module. Okay.
Yeah,
So basically, under integration testing, individual software modules are integrated locally and tested as a group. That means
yeah,
multiple modules get integrated and tested as a group.
mm, yeah,
Okay, integration testing focuses on checking data communication among us these modules.
yeah,
Okay, checking basically we are checking the communication between the modules among these modules. Okay.
yeah,
Again, integration testing is a white box testing technique. It's not black box testing technique. Okay.
yeah,
Integrated testing is conducted by the developer since it is a white box testing techniques.
testing.
What are the approaches we have? What are the
Yeah,
approaches? Top down approach. That means we have a core component at the top. Gradually, we are going to integrate okay, individual modules or small modules to the core module, okay, using stubs and drivers.
yeah,
Okay, using
yeah,
stubs and drivers, we carry bottom up approach and a top down approach in a
mm,
integration testing. Okay,
yeah,
sandwich approach where we follow both top down and bottom down
bottom
approaches to carry integration testing.
testing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Here you can see stubs is called as a module and a tester. When do you use stub? Stub will be used when the individual modules are not ready to carry the testing of other modules. We simulate stubs. We simulate modules with the stubs. Similarly,
oh,
if the to carry top
mm,
down to carry integration testing using the top down approach, if the driver is not ready, I mean core module is not ready, we call some modules to be tested using a driver. So that's the difference
oh,
between stub and a driver. Driver make calls to the module and stub is called by the module under a test.
yeah,
Okay. So driver where we call the modules and stubs where it is
all
called by the module. Called by the module.
module. Yeah,
You can see top up approach. Gradually we have a module 4, 5, 6. These modules are integrated to 4, 5
module.
modules are integrated to module 2 and module 6 is integrated to module 3. Later on module 2 and module 3 are integrated to module 1. So basically we are following here a bottom
Right.
up approach. We are starting integration from bottommost layer to the topmost layer. Each module at a lower levels is tested with a higher module until all modules are tested. It is called as a bottom
Bottom.
up integration. So what is the component we use to test a, integration type of testing under a bottom up integration? Under bottom up
Mm,
integration, we use the help of, we take the help of drivers. Okay,
yeah.
where why this module 4 and module 5 are called with the drivers.
Driver.
Called, okay, yes, is called the modules of 4 and 5 under module. Module acts as a driver here, and finally module 1 acts as a driver here.
Yes.
Top down integration. So this is quite opposite to bottom up integration. Top down integration where we use okay, topmost layer module called as a driver and called module 2 and module 3 in module 1 and module 4, 5 and 6 are called in module 2 and module 3. So testing basically takes place from top to down and following the flow, control flow of the okay software system. Okay, where we take the help of stubs for testing. Bottom down integration where we take the help of drivers and a top down integration where we take the help of stubs for
Stuff.
testing.
System
Any
testing.
questions in integration testing?
Yeah, it's fine.